In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change channel name in Slack. We'll walk through this in a clear, simple way so you can update a channel name with confidence. I'll show you how to get to Slack through your browser, where to click once you're in, and a few helpful tips so your new name sticks without any hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open it. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that using your usual method. Once you're in your workspace, you're ready to make the change. Next, open the channel you want to rename. You'll find your channels listed on the left sidebar. Click the one you want to update so the conversation is front and center. At the very top of the screen, in the header of that channel, you'll see the current channel name. Click that name to open the Channel Details panel. Inside the channel details, look for the section that shows the channel name. This is where you can make the change. You'll see an option to edit. Click Edit to make the name field active and ready for typing. Now, type your new channel name. Keep in mind that Slack channel names need to be unique within your workspace, and typically use lowercase letters, numbers, and dashes instead of spaces. Short, descriptive names work best, and clarity helps everyone find the right place quickly. If the name is already taken or doesn't meet your workspace's naming rules, Slack will let you know so you can adjust it. When you're happy with the new name, click Save Changes. The update applies immediately, and everyone in your workspace will see the new channel name right away. Slack may post a small system note in the channel announcing the rename, which can help avoid confusion. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the edit option, your workspace admins may have restricted renaming. In that case, reach out to an admin to request the change. Also, try to avoid frequent renames. Consistent channel names make it easier for teammates to find information later. That's it. You've opened Slack through your browser, navigated to the right channel, accessed the channel details, edited the name field, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to follow along with these steps the next time you need to tidy up your channel list.